This type of luxury isn't for everyone, but if you like the design style of Blue Heron homes, you're gonna love this. This home is located only 10 minutes from downtown Summerlin in Section 10. It sits on over a half acre of land, it's 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and over 5,700 square feet. This home is absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to show it to you. There are so many design features in this home that it's gonna be very difficult to hit every single one of them. But I'm gonna point out here that we have 24 by 48 imported Italian porcelain. You have this gorgeous stone-wrapped fireplace that is the focal point of the room. But a really neat feature of this house, as soon as you walk in, is the powder bathroom. Here you have this awesome green pedestal sink, and look at the faucet here. Turn this on, I can really appreciate the creativity. I have never seen anything like this. You also have a custom cabinetry here for your storage, and then the LED that's embedded in the cabinets. Now, just around the corner, there is an office here. So this is like your executive suite. You have a frosted pivot door, high ceilings, and a private entrance. So you can actually use this as a guest room or keep it as an executive office. Again, we have custom cabinetry, floating vanity with a hookup for your television. And then let's move back out here, and really, can we all appreciate the vaulted ceilings that are cladded with the faux beams, and check out this string lighting. I haven't seen anything like this before, and I absolutely love the design choices that they've made. I love how this house is just wide and open, and everything flows so well. You have this beautiful divider from the living room to the family room with the texture tile all the way to the ceiling. Again, the rope lighting, and then you flow right into this custom designed kitchen with the green and black quartzite, the LED light. I love how they did the custom skins over the refrigerator. It just really adds a modern element to it. You also have your espresso machine, all Bosch appliances, your induction cooktop. And when I say that they haven't missed anything in this house, check out this LED light. It just makes this stone pops, gives it a lot of dimension. And I just love the design. I can't say it enough. And there is a secret door in this kitchen, and we're gonna get to it in a little bit. So make sure you stay tuned because you're not gonna believe it. But as we make our way over here, we have the floating staircase with the steel rods and the biophilic design, just like Blue Heron includes in all of their homes. So I really appreciate that they took the time and effort to incorporate the outdoor elements into the home. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this home is set up as a split floor plan, meaning the primary bedroom is gonna be on that side of the house, and then we have 3 additional bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms on this side of the house. But I wanna point out this design feature that I really enjoy is that this rounded countertop matches this rounded wall. So again, everything flows really well together. You have this custom cladded wall with the LED lights. Oh, and remember when I told you there was a secret door? Check this out. There's a butler's pantry. So just down the hall here, we have 2 full bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. Each bedroom gives you your own private access to the backyard. So just off of the kitchen, we have an oversized formal dining room, making it perfect to entertain family and friends. Now, as we make our way onto the other side of the house, we're gonna enter into the primary bedroom. But look how cool this is. Look how well thought out this is. You have a frosted glass, black steel door. I really love this primary bedroom. I love the fact that they put this storefront frosted glass for the primary bedroom. I've never seen anything like it. As we make our way over here, you have a nice lounge or owner's retreat, if you will. You can overlook the backyard. The design of this home is really special because throughout the entire house, you have the black frame arched windows, which is really coming back in style. Here we have the stone wall and again, LEDs, this custom headboard, oversized, plenty of space for a king size bed, TV on this side. You have access right out to your own private yard on this side, which we'll get to in a little bit. This bathroom is incredible. When I saw it, I was blown away. So you have the rounded corner, just like you do in the kitchen and the hallway. You have the quartz countertop or floating vanity, stone backlit mirrors. But check out this shower. This shower is incredible. Look how big this is. It is honestly like you're at a day spa. It just gets better and better, right? Look at this closet design. You really feel like you're in a high-end department store. When I walked in here, I felt like I was in a Gucci or a Fendi. I mean, look at this. You have the black glass. It all opens. Custom cabinetry, LED lights. I mean, this house doesn't miss. So we've all seen sliding glass doors, but I don't think you've ever seen one slide so effortlessly. Look at that. It's a great, great door. But check this out. I love that this room has a private side yard. So you have an entrance to the front of the house through that gate, and then you have another gate on the other side that leads you right to the backyard. But you have synthetic grass, perfect to put out some lawn chairs, take in some afternoon sun. This is west exposure, so you're gonna get great sunlight throughout the entire day. And on this side of the primary bedroom, we have a door that takes you right out to the pool. Another nice design feature of this house is that it has level 5 smooth finish on the walls. And this amazing party room, check it out. This has quartzite on this oversized island. You have ice maker, refrigerator, microwave oven, and a wine chiller. This house is made for entertaining. Now, as we make our way over here, you have a beautiful frosted slider that takes you out to the sun deck and a full bathroom. And here in the backyard, we have a custom pool with a gorgeous waterfall, jacuzzi area in the back, outdoor kitchen, and this covered patio wraps the full length of the house and goes around to the east side. I'm telling you, this house doesn't miss. This home is listed for $2,775,000. To set up a private showing, contact me today.